How to manage line spacing in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your line spacing into your Hostinger Website Builder. So it is going to be very simple, very easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to basically click on websites at the left side of the screen. From here, we are going to head over our list of the websites by clicking to this item. From here, we're going to select the website that we want to apply the changes or the line spacing or heights to it. We are going to click on edit website and we are going to wait for the editor to load up. Now in Hostinger, the line spacing is going to be named line height. So basically, you are going to have a text or a bunch of text, or for example, a paragraph, and you want to adjust the line spacing. You need to head over the line height of it. So for example, I'm going to copy this text and I am going to show you how it is going to work. So basically, this is going to be very simple. So, as you can see here, if we want to adjust the line spacing between the text, it is going to be something else. But if we want to adjust the line height, as you can see, we're going to have it as like this. So you need to head over here and you're going to adjust the line height. But for the line specific spacing, you're going to get a specific space between each one of the text in here. So when you are going to double tap on the text, this is the line spacing. But the line's height is going to increase also like the line spacing, but it is going to target certain menus. As you can see also, it is going to zoom in a little bit on the image at the background. So we do not want to zoom that. So we are going to ignore the line height, but we are going to have the spacing in here. So we are going to have this specific button or the specific icon on the mouse. We can either increase it or decrease it. So as you can see, the maximum that we can decrease to is 8 pixels. And the maximum that we can increase it is going to be a little bit not limited. And also it is going to have here an effect on the image, as you can see. So we can do that like this. And also we can make the thing in here. So basically, as you can see, we have some more space than in here than this one, I think. So it is going to be visually appearing. So maybe we are going to see the lines and we can complete them with the line height. So as you can see, it is going to be something that should be aligned well with the line spacing. So also you can go ahead and put that. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.